Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am making another bow hair clip. For this I have taken 3 pieces of fabric. I have mentioned the dimensions below. Now take one piece of fabric, fold as shown and pin it in place. Fold the fabric into half and mark. Draw a line and fold the fabric as shown, slightly more than half from both the sides, and again we have to pin this in place. Then take a thread and needle and stitch in the middle as shown. We can stitch basic long stitches here. Remove the pin and gently fold as shown to make a bow. Tie the thread tightly along the bow and tie 2 or 3 knots. And our bow is now ready. Now to make the tail, take the square fabric, fold and stitch along the sides. You can also machine stitch this. Leave a small opening on one side. And we can turn this to the right side as shown. I'm going to seal the opening using a strong glue. Then again take the thread and needle and stitch as shown. Tie this piece tightly to the bow piece. Now tie a couple of knots at the back and cut off the extra thread. Now take the thin piece, apply a strong glue on one side and fold as shown. Then I am going to use an alligator clip and sticking it at the back. Now finally we have to stick the thin piece of fabric as shown and cut off the extra part, and that's it. Our bow hair clip is now ready. I hope you all like the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.